Hello, lovies. For those of you who are here for the first time, I am Gina. For those of you who came back to see me again, oh my God, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you my hack on a pair of $800 designer shoes. Let's get started. So I saw these designer shoes online that I fell in love with. I don't know if I fell in love with them because they're blingy or because they're my favorite color, but whatever the reason, I just loved them. They caught my eye. But when I saw $800, I was like, no, yeah, that'd break the budget. So I figured I'll use them as my inspiration shoes, and I will create something similar to them that I can afford. So here's what they look like. Beautiful, right? Well, let's get started and see what we could do. I bought these green mule shoes from Amazon, and I figured this is a good start. $21, and I will put the link below of everything I used. I also purchased this pearlescent blue leather paint from Amazon for $8. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our paint and we're going to turn these green shoes into that pretty teal blue. I'm very nasally because I have a cold. Sorry about that. So here we go. 3 coats later, and I wasn't happy with the color. So I added some chameleon powder, which is this shimmery stuff that you can add to paint. After 3 coats, I wasn't exactly at the shimmer and color that I was looking for. So I added some more of that chameleon paint into my leather paint, and I did it again, and I gave the shoes another coat, and then I got to the color I loved. After letting them dry for 24 hours, it was time to bling these shoes out. So I bought these shoe clips and earrings and gemstones from Temu, and I'll put that link below as well. The first thing I did was I took those long blue sparkly earrings that I got from Temu for, I think they were $1, and I removed the part that goes into your ear. And I took my Fabri-Tac glue and I glued the blue flat back gemstones along the entire length of these earrings. I'm going to glue these onto the heel of the shoes. Next, I glued a strip of those flat back gemstones on the inside of the shoe. I did this to both shoes, and then I took a triple strand of AB rhinestones, and that's what I wrapped around the heel. So I did the first layer, and after I lined it up, I pushed it up against the strip of blue gemstones I just put on, and then I just wrapped it around the heel to the strip of blue gemstones on the inside of the heel. Then after that, I measured how long the rhinestones were, and then I cut a few strands to make it easier so I could move along and get this project done quicker. So that's what I did. Now to do my last row of rhinestones, and this project is almost complete. Woohoo!
Next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know.
After I finished covering the heels with all the rhinestones, I then took gloss Mod Podge and I covered them and sealed them with Mod Podge to give them that glossy, shiny leather I'm looking for. After the Mod Podge dried, I decided that I wanted to add some more of those blue flat back gems. So what I did was I just took the Fabri-Tac glue again and I just put a strip of them on both sides of the heel to give it more of the look of the designer shoe that inspired me to create these. So I couldn't wait to model these and show you how cool they came out, but I couldn't finish the second shoe in time for this video because I ran out of rhinestones. I finally got them in the mail, but I didn't have enough time to finish the last shoe. Hopefully sometime in the future, maybe I'll just throw them in one of my videos and show you how cool they look with an outfit. But it was a super fun project, and I hope I inspired you to create something like this. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Click like if you're enjoying this, and think about subscribing to my channel. And here are the final results.
But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
So how did I do? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.
Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secret stars.